Welcome to Irvin TV. Today we are going to present to you the following. 1. Classifications of seafood. 2. Composition and structure. 3. Market forms. 4. Seafood preparation by method according to standard recipes. Tips in processing. Fish methods of fish processing. Learning objectives. 1. Prepare the kitchen tools, equipment, and ingredients based on the required standards. 2. Identify types, varieties, market forms, nutritive value, and composition of fish and seafood. 3. Assemble ingredients according to recipes, recipe cards, or enterprise standard. Directions. Look at the pictures below and answer the following questions. 1. What do you think are those pictures? 2. From what specific food group do they belong? Let us come now to info sheet number 1. Seafoods. Is any form of sea life regarded as food by humans? Seafood includes fish and shellfish. Classifications of seafood. 1. Fin fish, fish with fins and internal skeletons. 2. Categories of fish products: saltwater fish, flatfish X, flounder, sole round fish X, black sea bars, bluefish, cod, grouper. B. Freshwater fish, catfish, lapalop. 2. Shellfish. Fish with external shells but no internal bone structure. They have hard outer shells. Two classifications of shellfish. 2 classifications of shellfish. Mollusks are soft sea animals and invertebrates, meaning that they do not have a backbone. Mollusks. 1. Univalves. They have a single shell. Abalone. 2. Bivalvushave, a pair of hinged shell scallops. 3. Cephalopods, complete merged head and foot, with a ring of arms and or tentacles surrounding the head. Crustaceans are animals with segmented shells and jointed legs. Example: lobster, crims. One. Fish cooks very quickly, even at low heat. 2. Fish is naturally tender. High heat will result in the toughening of protein. 3. Moist heat methods are used not to create tenderness, but to preserve moistness and provide variety. 4. Cooked fish must be handled very carefully. Fat fish, high in fat. Salmon, tuna, trout, mackerel, lean fish, low in fat. Sole, cod. Red snapper, base. Let us come now to market forms of fish. 1. Whole or round, completely intact, as caught. 2. Drawn, viscera removed. A whole fish minus its internal organs. Another market form is 3. Dressed, viscera, scales, head, tail and fins removed. 4. Steaks, cross-section slices, each containing a section of backbone. 5. Fillets, boneless side of fish, with or without skin. 6. Butterflied fillets. Both sides of a fish still joined but with bones removed. 7. Sticks or tranches, cross-section slices of fillets. This time look at the picture and study the different cuts of fish. A supreme is a prime boneless cut from a fillet or loin which is cut either as a block cut or bias cut, and is considered the best and choicest cut of fish, also called a pave. A supreme cut removes all bones in the fillet. Back meat, abdomen meat, and tail meat. These parts of the fish are where you are going to get most of your meat. Dishes such as fish fillets, roasted fish, or fried fish. Caviar. This is the part of the fish where the eggs are located. The eggs are normally salted and cured. Tail. This is the part of the fish that a lot of people don't know you can eat. Normally you just fry them up and eat. Alright, let us come now to seafood preparation by method according to standard recipe. Number 1. Steaming is a gentle, fat-free cooking method that keeps the natural moisture in foods. This method uses the steam from a simmering liquid, usually water, seafood broth, or wine, to transfer heat to and cook a food. Marinating. Many fish and shellfish benefit from a quick soak in a marinade to boost flavor and help retain moisture. Thawing seafood is extremely perishable. Quickly freezing it at the height of freshness, usually when it's still on the boat or shortly thereafter, is a successful way to keep. Poaching is a moist heat method of cooking, where food is submerged in a bath of flavorful liquid that is kept just below the boiling point, 160 to 180 degrees. Broiling oven. Broiling adds a nutty, brown flavor and crisp texture to foods and is a quick and delicious way to cook many types of say. Pan searing is a technique that works well for cooking fish steaks and thicker, shorter fillets of fish. Baking surrounds food with even, dry heat and is an excellent method for cooking whole fish. 1. Grading. Sorting by species, size, quality. 2. Removal of slime. 3. Scaling. 4. Washing is intended primarily to clean the fish and to remove accumulated bacteria. 5. Deheading. Steps in processing fish. 6. Gutting consists of cutting down the belly, removal of internal organs, and, optionally, cleaning the body cavity. 7. Cutting away the fins with either a knife, special mechanized scissors, or rotating disc knives. Methods of fish processing. Freezing, simplest and the most natural way of preserving fish. Smoking is a slow way of broiling. Drying. Dehydration is one of the most popular techniques in processing fish. Fish curing involves the addition of ingredients such as salt, sugar, and some preservatives.